This weather report brought to you by Secure Storage Cairns.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A fresh southeasterly wind surge is firing off showers and storms as it marches northward up the coast. Central Queensland's currently hosting most of the action, but the heavier stuff should spread right through the tropics by tomorrow afternoon. Extended range had the highest overnight rainfall, that's kind of western tablelands, 43 millimetres, with Cairns and Atherton picking up around 18. Malanda had a further 75 mils since 9 a.m. Cairns made it to 32 degrees today after a sultry start at 26 with very high humidity. Most other stations followed suit. You can see on the satellite loop that we're getting a lot of activity now over the Northern Territory. That's where the low that was in the Gulf that never became a cyclone has now moved, and to its east you've got a lot of monsoonal flow. Big showers and storms getting going all over the tropics, but also around the east coast there, ahead of a cool southeasterly change that's been moving northward. Let's have a look at today's chart now. Firstly, we've got that high in the Tasman Sea that's pushing up that fresh southeasterly. You can see this isobar here, that's where it ends. There should be a little coastal trough there, right through about Gladstone, north of which we're getting more activity at the moment. There's an inland trough also, and there's that low that was supposed to be a cyclone and never was, now over the central Northern Territory, and a monsoon across North Queensland. On tomorrow's chart, the monsoon becomes more active as this southeasterly surge pushes into it, producing a lot of up motion right through tropical Queensland, lots of heavy rain. Then on the outlook chart, we can see as the southeasterly continues to progress northward, it'll keep raining in the tropics while clearing up in the southeast and getting cooler. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Cairns waters, just light variable winds about 10 knots tomorrow. Then on Wednesday, the first signs of that southeasterly, just 10 to 15, continuing on Thursday. Tomorrow's tides, we've got a fairly big peak in the morning with a decent run out to the afternoon low tide. The swing will widen each day as Friday's new moon approaches. North tropical coast and tablelands, showers and thunderstorms tomorrow with heavy falls inland. 32 the top for Cairns, Atherton 29, Innisfail 32. And looking ahead for Cairns, Friday onwards should see a return to mostly clear weather with slightly fresher winds, though not really any cooler, I'm afraid. We'll need to wait until April for that. For Atherton, we got high 20s for a lot of the time, and rain up until about Friday. After that, it clears up. And that's all the weather for this evening, my friends. Thank you for your company and thanks for your loyal patronage to 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with the next page in the Book of Weather. Hope you have a peaceful sleep. And now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Lovely having your company. We'll catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, you can catch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app if you missed anything. From all of us, good night.
Good night.
Tonight in 7 News, together